Namaste. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. This is a quote by Mahatma Gandhi. On this day, our school is celebrating the 152nd birth anniversary of Gandhiji. Mahatma Gandhi was a man who gave his whole life to the nation. No doubt people refer to him as the father of the nation. His empathy for poor, oppressed and lower caste people is absolutely unparalleled. This great man continues to command respect not only in India but all over the world. The Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat was founded by Gandhiji. The ashram is ensconced in a peaceful aura, possibly due to the unique energy that the place actually has. Now, let us take a virtual tour to Sabarmati Ashram.
Gandhiji stayed at the Sabarmati Ashram from 1917 to 1930. This became his karma bhumi, the land of his karma, his actions. Similar to the successful practice of Satyagraha in South Africa, even India's independence could be achieved through the same. This was the hope Gandhiji carried with him when he returned to the homeland in January 1915. In order to lead a public life, he set up an ashram on May 25th of the same year in a rented bungalow in a village in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji used to say, "My life is dedicated to the pursuit of truth. I want to live in its pursuit and even death is acceptable." The ashram was therefore called Satyagraha Ashram. However, this place is more popularly known as Sabarmati or Gandhi Ashram. Gandhiji did not want the ashram to be identified with his name. He used to say, "Do not associate with my name, associate with my work."
Udyog Mandir was a laboratory to implement Gandhiji's economic ideology. The charkha or the spinning wheel was at the center of Gandhiji's fight for Swaraj. This is where Khadinomics was invented. Volunteers from across the country came here to be trained to promote and spread the mantra Sudharna Tantane Swaraj, which meant self-rule or Swaraj through yarn. During the historical strike of the mill workers in Ahmedabad in 1918, the workers and ashram residents laid the foundations of this building using sand from the banks of river Sabarmati. The mill workers thus found work and employment for a time. This is a symbol of their diligence, independence and pride. Gandhiji initially stayed in a small room to the left, for this was the first building constructed at the ashram.
The Gandhi Memorial Museum was inaugurated on May 10, 1963 by India's first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru. Retaining the unique features of the old construction of the ashram buildings, design for this modern museum was prepared by Charles Correa, the world-renowned architect. This museum is spread across 54 cubicles, within which there are the three main galleries.
This is Bapu's room. Gandhiji used to work here all day. Discussions and talks with colleagues, politicians, leaders, and visitors all took place here. Consultations with prominent leaders were also held here on this very mat. Gandhiji wrote several significant newspaper articles, letters, applications, essays, news of visits, and more sitting at this very table. Gandhiji used to write with both his left and right hands. A stand was placed here so that he could write while standing, but he would get tired of sitting down. Once, when after an intense search, this traditional spinning wheel was located in Vijaypur village, 70 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, Bapu is known to have exclaimed with joy, "Finally, we found it." and only after his demise that a spinning wheel was designed in the year 1951, the Ambar Charka. Gandhiji was not against machines or technologies per se. The only thing he wished was that human beings would not become slaves to them.
Impressed by Gandhiji's ideology, Vinoba Bhave, a hermit, permanently moved into the ashram. He stayed here from the year 1918 through to 1921. Considering his integrity, Gandhiji called him the first Satyagrahi. He led the Bhodan movement by travelling across the nation on foot for 13 continuous years, acquiring 40 lakh acres of land for the landless. Miss Madeleine Slade, the daughter of a British naval chief, became a follower of Gandhiji after reading a book on him by Romain Rolland. After Vinoba Bhave, she too stayed here from 1925 to 1933, adopting the way of life of the ashram. It was Gandhiji who named her Meera.
साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना कड़क बिलाड़ा। साबरमती के संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल। साबरमती की संग तूने कर दिया कमाल, दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खड़क बिना डाल। साबरमती की संग तूने कर दिया कमाल। जब जब तेरा बिगुल बजा जवान चल पड़े, मजदूर चल पड़े थे और किसान चल पड़े। हिंदू मुसलमान सिख पठान चल पड़े, कदमों पे तेरे कोटि कोटि प्राण चल पड़े। फूलों के सेज छोड़ के ढूंढे जवाहरलाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना था, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम,
मन में थी अहिंसा की लगन, तन पे लंगोटी, लाखों में घूमता था लिए सत्य की सोटी। वैसे तू देखने में थी हस्ती तेरी चोटी, लेकिन तुझे चुकड़ी थी हिमालय की पिचोटी। दुनिया में तू बेजोड़दा इंसान बेमिसाल, साबरमती की संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव